Welcome to English Listening Channel. Hello everyone. Today we're going to follow Sarah and Charlie on their journey through the airport. In this video, you will learn useful travel vocabulary and common airport conversations. We'll see them check in, go through security, wait for their flight, and more. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy their travel story. Have you ever been nervous at an airport?
Here we are. The airport is so big.
Yes, it is. Do you have your passport?
Yes, I do. It's in my bag.
Good. Where do we check in?
Let me look at the sign. There, Terminal B.
Perfect. Our flight is at 10:30.
We have 2 hours. That's enough time.
Yes. Let's go to check-in first.
I'm excited about this trip.
Me too. It will be great. Look, there are the check-in counters.
Which airline are we flying with?
Sky Airlines. Counter 15 to 20.
I see it. There's no line right now.
Great. We're lucky.
Do you have our tickets?
Yes, they're on my phone.
Perfect. Let's go over there.
I hope our seats are together.
They should be. We booked together.
Good morning. We have tickets to London.
Good morning. May I see your passports?
Here are our passports.
Thank you. Do you have bags to check?
Yes, we have 2 suitcases.
Please put them on the scale.
Are they too heavy?
No, they're perfect. Here are your boarding passes.
What gate is our flight?
Gate 12. Boarding starts at 10.
Thank you very much. That was easy. Now we need security.
Yes, the sign says this way.
I hope the line isn't too long.
It's still early. Should be okay.
Do you have liquids in your bag?
Just a small bottle of water.
You need to throw that away.
Oh, right. I forgot about that rule.
We can buy water after security.
Good idea. Look, there's the security area. The line is moving quickly.
Yes, that's good. Do I need to remove my shoes?
I think so. Look at other people.
Okay. And laptops go in separate bins.
Right. Do you have your laptop?
Yes, it's in my backpack.
We're almost there.
I always get nervous at security.
Don't worry. We're not doing anything wrong.
You're right. It will be fine.
Next person, please.
Is this everything in the bin?
Yes, shoes, belt, and laptop.
Walk through slowly, please.
Okay.
Good. You can get your things now.
My turn now.
See? That wasn't bad.
You were right to be calm.
Let's put our shoes back on.
Good idea. Then we can find our gate.
Okay, we're through security. Where's gate 12?
Let me check the board. Gates 10 to 15 are that way.
Perfect. How much time do we have?
It's 9:15 now. Boarding is at 10.
So we have 45 minutes.
Yes. Do you want to get coffee first?
That sounds great. I saw a cafe over there.
Let's go there, then find our gate.
I'm getting excited about London.
Me too. This will be a great trip.
Good morning. What can I get for you?
2 coffees, please. 1 large, 1 medium.
I'd like a croissant too, please.
Sure. Anything else?
No, that's all. How much is it?
$12.50.
Airport prices are always expensive.
True, but we need coffee for the flight.
Here are your drinks and croissant.
Thank you very much.
Now let's find a place to sit.
This coffee is really good.
Yes, it is. The croissant looks delicious, too.
Do you want half?
Sure, thanks. What time is it now?
9:30. We still have time.
I can see planes from here. Look.
Oh, wow. Which one is ours?
I don't know. They all look the same.
It's so exciting to watch them take off.
Soon we'll be on one of them. Okay, time to go to our gate.
Right. Gate 12 should be down this way.
This terminal is really long.
Yes, but there's a lot to see.
Look at all these shops.
Maybe we can shop on our way back.
Good idea. Oh, there's gate 10.
So 12 is just ahead.
Perfect timing. It's almost 10 o'clock.
I can't wait to get on the plane. Here we are, Gate 12.
And there's our plane outside.
It's bigger than I thought.
Let's find seats to wait.
There are some empty chairs over there.
Perfect. The boarding screen says, on time.
Great, no delays.
I'm going to check our boarding passes again.
Good idea. What are our seat numbers?
15A and 15B. Window and aisle.
Look, they're loading bags onto our plane.
I hope they don't lose our suitcases.
They won't. Airlines are careful with luggage.
You're right. What are you reading?
A travel magazine about London.
That's perfect. Any good tips?
Yes, lots of restaurants and museums.
We should make a list of places to visit.
Definitely. Oh, I think they're getting ready to board.
Let me listen for the announcement.
Good morning, passengers. We will begin boarding shortly.
Here we go.
We're boarding rows 20 to 31st.
We're in row 15. We need to wait.
That's okay. Let's get our things ready.
Do you have your boarding pass?
Yes, right here in my hand.
Now boarding rows 10 to 20.
That's us. Let's get in line.
I'm so excited. Here we go to London.
Boarding passes, please.
Here you go.
Thank you. Enjoy your flight.
Thank you.
Welcome aboard. Seats 15A and B?
Yes, that's us.
Down the aisle and to the right.
Thank you. The plane is nice.
Yes, it looks very clean and new.
Let's find our seats quickly. Here's row 15. Window seat is mine.
Perfect. I'll put our bags up here.
Be careful with my laptop bag.
Don't worry. It's safe in the overhead bin.
The seats are comfortable.
Yes, and we have good leg room.
I can see the wing from my window.
That's cool. Did you bring something to read?
Yes, I have a book and my tablet.
Great. This will be a nice flight.
Please fasten your seatbelts for takeoff.
Already done.
Me too. Are you nervous?
A little bit. I don't fly very often.
It's very safe. Don't worry.
In case of emergency, exits are here and here.
Should we read the safety card?
It's always good to know.
Okay. Oh, we're starting the move.
Here we go. Next stop, London.
Look at all these clouds below us.
It's beautiful up here. How long is the flight?
About 8 hours, I think.
That's not too bad. Are you hungry?
A little bit. When do they serve lunch?
Soon, I hope. The flight attendant is coming with drinks.
Would you like something to drink? Orange juice, please.
Coffee for me, thank you.
Lunch will be served in 1 hour.
We are beginning our descent into London.
We're almost there.
That was faster than I expected.
I can see the city from here.
Really? Let me look.
It's so big and beautiful.
Please return your seats to upright position.
Here we go. Landing time.
I can't believe we're really in London.
Our adventure is just beginning.
I hope this airport journey helped you learn useful English travel vocabulary. Sarah and Charlie had a smooth trip from check-in to landing in London. Now you know common phrases for airports, security and flights. Have you ever had an interesting experience at an airport? Please tell me in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more English learning videos. See you next time. Safe travels.